Ryan Dyer here from Trident Cryo. Today we're going to cover the myth of twos. First thing we're going to go over is one chamber versus two chamber. Today we're at a dual chamber. Come on in. So as I open the door to a single chamber, physics tells you that I pull all the cold air out and I bring warm air in. During that time frame, I'm creating a thermal fluidic barrier, is what happens when I open this door and I have hot air meeting cold air. I'm bringing humidity into my machine and eventually to my coil, which just makes it harder for the machine. The purpose of the pre-chamber in a dual, it's a thermal barrier from outside temperatures. When a customer steps into the pre-chamber and they stand there for about 30 seconds, a lot of the heat is removed. Now, when they step into the main chamber, they're getting exposed to a chamber that never was affected by ambient room temperature, which means you walk right into a shocking experience. I'm not saying single chambers don't work. They work. The only reason you should get a single chamber is because of square footage. If you don't have enough room, then get the single chamber, they will work. In closing, the myth of twos. Is two chambers better than one chamber? It's absolutely better. That's why all of the manufacturers create them. They're just more money. Trident Cryo prices both the single chamber and the double chamber so close that you'll never have to make the decision based on money.